Welcome to our channel where we help you understand the complex world of finance. In this video, we will be discussing how to research stocks before investing. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over time, but it's important to do your research before making any investment decisions. In this video, we will explore the steps you can take to research stocks before investing. Define your investment goals. The first step in researching stocks is to define your investment goals. Are you looking to invest for the long term or short term? What level of risk are you willing to take? Answering these questions will help you narrow down your options and focus on stocks that are a good fit for your investment goals. Understand the company. Before investing in a stock, it's important to understand the company and its business model. Start by reading the company's annual report, which will provide an overview of the company's financial performance, goals, and future plans. You can also research the company's website, news articles, and industry publications to get a better understanding of the company's business. Analyze financials. Once you understand the company, it's important to analyze its financials. Look at the company's income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement to get a sense of its financial health. Pay attention to metrics like revenue growth, profit margins, and debt levels. You can also use financial ratios like price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, and price-to-sales ratio, PS ratio, to compare the company's performance to its peers. Evaluate industry trends. In addition to understanding the company, it's important to evaluate industry trends. Look for trends that may impact the company's performance, such as changes in consumer behavior, new technology, or regulatory changes. Understanding the broader industry trends can help you make better informed investment decisions. Consider valuation. Finally, it's important to consider valuation when researching stocks. Look at the company's current stock price and compare it to its historical stock price, as well as its peers in the industry. If the stock is trading at a significant premium, it may be overvalued. On the other hand, if the stock is trading at a significant discount, it may be undervalued. So, that's how to research stocks before investing. Remember, investing in the stock market can be risky, and it's important to do your research before making any investment decisions. By defining your investment goals, understanding the company, analyzing financials, evaluating industry trends, and considering valuation, you can make better informed investment decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.